Hello again. Till now, our whole emphasis was on industries belonging to automotive market. Now we will briefly touch upon which industries beyond traditional automakers are hiring diagnostic specialists now. Industries beyond traditional automakers are increasingly hiring diagnostic specialists, reflecting the expanding role of diagnostics technology in sectors outside core vehicle manufacturing. Well, there is no doubt that this onboard diagnostics came into picture to serve the automotive market, but definitely this diagnostic vertical is going beyond vehicle manufacturing. So let's see some non-automotive industries and examples of companies actively recruiting diagnostic professionals. First industry is health and medical diagnostics. Medical device manufacturers, diagnostic labs, healthcare technology startups are major employers of diagnostic specialists. Understand this. Device manufacturers, diagnostic labs, and healthcare technology startups are major employees. And these companies delivering on developing advanced diagnostic instruments, remote patient monitoring platforms, and AI-driven diagnostic solutions. Okay, so for example, MicroX Labs, 5C Network, MedPrime Technologies, DG Clinics Research and Services, Acrivia Biosciences, Aduvio Diagnostics, Omics Research and Diagnostic Labs, all these medical companies are actively recruiting people who have good knowledge on diagnostics. Next, to come to cloud, IoT, predictive maintenance platforms. Companies specializing in connected vehicle after sales, remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and telematics, or recruiting diagnostic expert to develop and manage performance platforms that enable real-time monitoring and remote troubleshooting for vehicles and industry equipment. Okay, for example, KPIT technologies. Even though KPIT caters most to automobile industry, they are also into also into after sales and remote diagnostics also. Okay, now other companies like AR data analytics, software or service providers. So AI and data analytics firms are recruiting diagnostic specialists to build and refine machine learning models as predictive diagnostics, anomaly detection, and automated decision support in both automotive and healthcare contexts. Example, one important example is Rises Analytics Solutions, and this company is developing healthcare AI software for diagnostics. It is leveraging big data, AI, and cloud technologies. Now, next is telematics and connected vehicle solution providers. And telematics companies require diagnostics professionals to enable remote diagnostics, fleet health monitoring, and predictive maintenance for logistics, mobility, and fleet maintenance business. Okay, not only automotive manufacturers, even fleet management business are drastically needing professionals from diagnostics. These roles often involve integrating OBD data with cloud platforms and developing diagnostic algorithms for connected vehicles. Okay, so last but not the least, industrial equipment and heavy machinery. Manufacturers of industrial engines, generators, heavy equipment also are also hiring diagnostic engineers to develop onboard remote diagnostics for non-automotive companies, non-automotive vehicles and machinery. Okay, companies like Atlas Copco, companies like LG Equipment, LG, I hope it's a Coimbatore based company, ELGI, that's the spelling. Yeah, companies like John Deere, JCB, even heavy equipment manufacturers, they are also drastically using onboard diagnostics. In summary, beyond traditional makers, diagnostic specialists are demand in healthcare diagnostics, cloud and IoT platforms, AI and data analytics, telematics, and industrial equipment sectors. Okay, so just to wind up, companies like MicroX Labs, 5C Network, MidPrime Technologies, KPIT, Rises Analytics, and many others are leading the way in recruiting talent for diagnostic roles in expanding the industries. Thank you.